day, students. So we are looking at the topic for today, which is power. We have been looking at work energy, but today we are looking at power. So our lesson objectives: one, students should be able to explain power after this topic. Then two, you should be able to calculate the power in watts, given an applied force and the time it takes to produce a displacement. So what is power? Power is the rate of doing work. The rate of doing work. That is the time, when we say rate, that's the time rate of doing work. That if you can do a particular, for example, if there is someone who can do a particular work, maybe the work, the unit of work is in joule, maybe 20 joules, maybe per 20 seconds. And there is another person who can also do the same work, which is also 20 joule. Maybe it takes the person 40 seconds to actually do that. So you come up with the fact that this person has more power than this, because it takes the two of them to do the same work but at different time. So power is defined as the time rate of doing work. And the formula for it is work done or energy expended per time. That is the energy used up per time. It is measured in watts. Power is measured in watts. Take note of that. Now, let's look at this question under power. A ball of mass 10 kilogram. A ball of mass 10 kilogram. That is, the mass of the ball is 10 kilogram. Climbs up 10 steps. Then you have 10 steps climbed. Each of height 0.2 meter. The height is 0.2 meter. And of course, you know it's climbing 10 steps. So if one step is 0.2 meter, then 10 of them will be 0.2 times 10. So the height, the original height we are going to be using will be 10 times 0.2 meter. We are not going to be using this 0.2 meter. Then in 20 seconds, that's the time taking. The time taking is 20 seconds. So the question asks you to find the power of the boy. The power of the boy is not known. So you just record the formula. Power is equal to force times distance. Since force times distance is work done over time taken. The force in this case is going to be the weight of the boy, which is mg. So don't forget your m is 10 kilogram. Your g, which is acceleration due to gravity, is also 10 meters per second squared. So times 10. Then the distance covered, which is now the height of the steps that you climbed, which is 2 meters. Don't forget, I told you are not going to use 0.2 meter for your height, because it's climbing 10 steps. So you are going to multiply. That's what we did here. So divided by the time taken, which is 20 seconds. So by the time you divide this, you are going to have 10. So the unit of power is watts. So 10 watts is the power. Let's also look at the last question here. A car is moving at constant speed of 20 meters per second. So this time around, you are given speed. Let's say it's v, which is 20 meters per second. Then the force regarding its motion is 500 Newton. 500 Newton. So you have to find the engine power, which is P. Now, let me explain something to you here. Now, I told you that power is equal to force times distance over time taken. But this time around, now you are not given time and you are not given the distance. So you have to do something here. If power is force times distance over time taken, you can say force times distance over time. Don't forget, in your motion, distance over time is known as the speed. So it means this force times speed can also be called the formula for your power. So very simple. The next thing to do is just plug in the value. The force is 500 Newton times the speed, which is 20 meters per second. So by the time you multiply them together, you have 10,000, and the unit is watts. 10,000 watts. So this is the end of the class for now. So when you get to Google Classroom, There are many questions we still solve together, and you can ask your questions too. Thank you.